So the second conditional, maybe it will happen, maybe it won't happen. So we need to have words to show that it won't happen. And the only words we have in English is a past form, like past simple. Yeah. So, look at this sentence down here. I would buy a new car if I had enough money. Have I got enough money? Let me look. Nah, a couple of euros. Is that enough to buy a new car? No, it isn't. So, I can say to myself, I can think, if I had enough money, I haven't, but if I had enough money, I would buy a new car sometime in the future. If I had, we need that past form to make it unreal, to make it far away. If I had enough money, I would buy a new car. Or you can change it around. I would buy a new car if I had a lot of money. You can change them, which makes them look more interesting. If I won a lot of money, I would buy a new house sometime in the future. So maybe next weekend, lottery. If I won a lot of money in the lottery, I would buy a new house. Sounds good. If Queen Victoria was alive today, is she alive today? No, it's only our imagination. It's a bit unlikely. Well, it's completely unlikely because Queen Victoria died many years ago. But if Queen Victoria was alive today, she would be over 200 years old. So practically impossible. So very, very unlikely. It's only an idea in our head. We're just imagining another picture. Yeah. So that was if with a past simple and then would, yeah, to make it real. Because will makes it more certain. Would, a past form, makes it unreal.